Hi there. We're going to have a look at how and why can we set up season passes in Oveit and how we can use them for our attraction, our water park, our theme park, our play center. Right, so in my attraction section right here, under attractions, my attractions in Oveit, we can see we've set up some types of passes, an admission, an adult pass. There's all sorts of options that you can do. But one thing that I want to showcase is the season pass, right? So why use a season pass? If you want to encourage your guests to return to your attraction, your water park, your theme park, you can set up a longer validity date season pass, and you can easily do that in Oveit. And how we can do it? As you can see here on the bottom side of my screen, there's three buttons. One of them is new ticket, and the other one is new bundle on the right hand side, and in the middle we have the new season pass. And I'm gonna tap this. When we want to create the season pass, there's two relevant options. One of them is obviously the name. We can name it whatever we want, the price, and then some information about it, and very important, the validity. When do we want this season pass to be active from, right? So let's say we want to have it active throughout the whole year in 2026. I'm just going to start by selecting the 1st of January 2026. Given the fact that this is a water park in some parts of the world, this is going to be a bit cold, but anyway, I'm going to select it, and I've selected the last day of 2026. So this is going to be valid throughout the whole year. What does this mean? Season pass. This means our guests will be able to enter the water park once a day, no more than once a day, during the year. Let's just set up a $150 season pass, and we'll be able to track all of their entrances. There are some additional options that you can set up in the season pass. Some of them are pretty cool. So for example, the one that I definitely recommend is the group deals, right? So we can set up the price for one season pass to be $150, but if we want to sell, let's say, a pack of four for a family, we can set up a special deal here that with a minimum of 3 season passes purchased, we have a $300 price. That means a 30% discount for each of our purchases. This will encourage our guests to buy season passes for, let's say, their whole family or their group of friends. Because, going to an attraction is always much more fun if you're with someone else. Then another option that we can set up is what we call the add-ons. Add-ons are options that we can stack on top of our season pass. So let's say someone purchases the season pass. Let's give them a bonus. This can be a floaty. It can be a burger. It can be 3 entrances to the main ride, the one that you usually have to pay for, maybe a t-shirt. So we can include all of these benefits in the add-on section. Then we have the visibility. Do you want this to be public or private? In some cases, we might want to set it as a private invitation before the sale start, maybe just offering the season pass just to our members. And in that case, we select the private invitation. And then we have the available channels. Where do we want to sell this? Do we want to sell it at the box office, online, or everywhere? In some cases, this might mean selling it through third-party channel partners like GetYourGuide, Ticket, Viator, and some other options. And once we do that, we press the save button, and that's it. We have a new season pass, so your guests can enjoy your attraction the whole year round.